everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous Warli painting card for Mother's Day, which is made using paper quilling strips. And also I have done little bit of mirror work. Isn't it an unique idea? It's looking very gorgeous, and the fusion art for the Mother's Day greeting. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking white color cardstock which measures 10 by 22 centimeters. Now I am taking yellow and red color chalk paints and coloring the base completely. You can also use acrylic colors. Allow it to dry completely. Then to make base, I am taking one more sheet which is 24 by 11 centimeters. I have folded it on 1 centimeter from one side. Now taking one more cardstock piece which measures 23 by 11 centimeters, and I am just joining both the parts together to create the card base. So in this way you can join two sheets together to create big card bases. So this is done. Now on top of this I am adding my colored paper. And the card base is completely ready. Then with very light hands I am just drawing Warli woman with her two kids. This is very easy to draw. Draw very light sketch because we don't want to show our pencil work when we will do the quilling. Just for the guidance I am drawing here a sketch. And can you see the sketch? It's very easy. Then I am starting with my quilling work. For the mother's face I have created this tight coil which is made using 2 strips of black color in 3 mm. For the Judah I have prepared this half strip tight coil. For small kid I have used half strip, and for bigger kid I have used 1 strip to make the face. Now to create the outline for the whole body, here I am taking 1 strip of black color in 3 mm. I am dividing it in 4 equal parts, and then I am just joining all 4 parts together to make thick strip. Now taking back my card, and I have just cut my thick strip into small parts according to my design, and I am sticking these parts one by one by adding glue in the bottom. So you just need to measure your line cut your strip and then just simply stick it. Similarly, I am going to cover everything. And now the outlining work is done and you can see the whole design nicely and properly. You can take screenshot here. Then I am starting with the inner design of the dress. For this I am taking here one green color strip, folded it into half, taking one blue strip, folded in half, gathering both the strip together and folding from one corner using my pointed tweezer. So you will get this beautiful double shaded tight coil. Now I am taking 1/8 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one small tight coil. Then taking back my card and I will start decorating the mother's dress. Also, I am using these triangle mirrors to decorate the corners. For the kids dress, I am first attaching one triangle mirror in corner and then adding yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip. The strips I am using for today's project are having 45 centimeters length. Now around this white color tight coil I am adding some small size mirrors. And for the smallest kid I have just prepared two yellow color triangle shapes. So I am just adding these shapes inside the dress. And this is done. Then just to decorate the mom's dress little bit more, I am adding two small white color strips. And at the edge of the strip I am adding two yellow color tight coils like this. Then I will start making veil design here. For this I am taking half strip of light green color in 3 mm, making one leaf shape Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves. Then taking one piece of green color strip, just twisting it little bit. Here also I have added 4 layers to create thick strip. So in one corner I am just sticking the veil center, and around this I am going to attach my quilling leaves. Then on each leaf I am going to adhere these leaf shapes mirrors. Wow, it's looking gorgeous. In the same way, I will add 1 or 2 more veils, and it's looking very gorgeous. Now in the bottom I am just adding some triangle mirrors to create the bottom border. Like this, and between each triangle I am adding one white color spot using my ball tool. Here I am using white chalk paint. And at the end I am just adding the sentiment, Happy Mother's Day. And absolutely gorgeous greeting card in fusion form for Mother's Day is ready. I am sure you will try this very soon and you will gift it to your moms. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.